Hi Dr. Maharaja, wish you very happy birthday. Here comes the video wishes from your trainee, mentee, Thamarasan Karnakaran, actor, anchor and event MC. It's my pleasure wishing you on your 30th birthday. Having associated with you for the last 4 years, I know how important this birthday is for you. I know most of your dreams, most of your big pictures, though not all, at least majority of them I know. So what's your plan, how you're going to do that? So I'm sure this 30th birthday is a great birthday for you and it's going to be a great turning point in your life. I wish you good health, good wealth, good prosperity. Not just good, whatever you get, let it be great. So once again, I wish you a happy birthday. Have a wonderful day. I would like to share something about you out of my association with you. I have learned thousands of things from you. I have shared them in my previous videos, in my previous articles. On this special day, on your special 30th birthday, I would like to share just one important thing, what I've learned from my association with you and what I have been practicing it and what's the impact it has created in my life. The one important thing, which is selecting the right audience. It's not only in the professional way, it also in the personal way. That is, whether it's a personal life or a professional life, selecting the right audience is very, very important. There was a point when Thamarasan used to talk to everyone about anything and everything. Whoever I find, I talk to them, any topic, whatever the tips I have, whatever the knowledge I have, I used to share with them. And consider thinking that it may be useful for them. Whether it's useful for them or not, I used to talk anything and everything to them. But one point of time you corrected me that I need to spend time with quality people. That is people who are action oriented. Because nation needs action oriented people. Only then India can become supreme power. Whether it becomes supreme power or not, to become a great human being, to transform others' life, one has to be action oriented. Not just like that he hears something and leaves it and goes away. So that was the time you corrected me. I need to spend time with quality people who are ready to take action. I started following that and I know a lot of negative things will happen against me when I start following that. Yes, that did happen in my life. Like I need to move away from a lot of people. A lot of people talk negative about me. They say he's an attitude person. He's a very serious person. He doesn't have fun and a lot more negatives I've heard through other friends and few people have told me straight in front of my face as well. But I expected all these things to happen because 90% of the people, they live the average life, 90 to 95% of the people, and rest 5 to 10% of the people, they want to live an extraordinary life, transforming other people's lives, transforming the nation and helping others. So I'm one such person like you who want to be in the top 5 to 10% people who wants to bring change in others' life. So I don't mind moving away from certain set of people who wants to talk negative about me. So this is the way I am. In the sense, I'm not too stubborn. For the goals what I have, I need to be this way. Only then I will be able to achieve that, to bring the change in others' lives and to bring change in the nation and in the entire humanity. So this is one thing what I have taught from you. So just to brief it, selecting the right audience. Rather than spending time with someone who is not ready to take action, he just listens and leave it away. Instead of spending the time on him, if I spend the same time with someone who is ready to take action, definitely it's going to have impact in his life, in his or her life, and he's going to change it. His life is going to be transformed, and which is an indirect contribution to the country, indirect contribution to the entire humanity and the world. This is one major thing what I've learned from you, and definitely it has had a great impact in my life. As I said earlier, a lot of people started moving away from my life, but on the other hand, I could see the obvious result in the other side where I've started associating with a lot other people who are more productive, who wants to bring change in the country, in the entire world. So I started associating with the like-minded people. I'm happy about that. I'm happy being that. So once again, thank you so much for being my mentor. I'm always proud to say that you are my mentor. I've mentioned it in all my articles, in majority of my articles and videos. Keep supporting me, keep supporting the nation, keep supporting the world. I'm sure you can definitely bring a lot of change in humanity, and whether in someone's personal life or in the business life. So once again, I wish you happy birthday. Have a great life. Have good health, good wealth, good prosperity. Thank you so much for being my mentor. Have a nice day.